Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno11 F and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with making sure that we've got the internet connection, it is required, and then we can enter the Play Store. Be aware that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, or you will log in or sign up. If you're not sure how to do it, so how to add your Google account to the device, simply check our tutorial about it. So now all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage, and right here we've got the list of all installed apps. Let's simply tap on Updates Available to check which one we can update. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them and update all, but you can also choose particular apps. So let me choose maybe Google Chrome, Gmail, Google, and maybe Google Messages. So after marking the options, tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Your device will do it for you. Of course, you do not have to wait here. You can just turn it off completely and everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.